Okay, mga ka-idol, mga kababayan natin, mga Pilipino, saan man tayong sulok ng mundo, ito panoorin natin si Dean Shees sa kanyang isiniwala tungkol dito kay Bongbong Marcos ay talagang mainit na mainit ito. Panoorin na natin ito, huwag na natin patagalin. Ito na.
Magandang araw po sa ating lahat, and this is Dean Chase. It's been a couple of days since we have released that video, the first couple, and it's been really surprising to us that the Malacanang Palace has not responded nor made a statement about the scandal that was released. Let's talk about the scandal. Now, the scandal po, let me just reiterate that whatever was done in the clip, because a lot of people had actually been talking, especially the trolls, that private life po daw nila yan at dapat po daw hindi natin pinag-uusapan. It's not about that. It's not about what they were doing in the video. It's not about what they were doing in the clips. It's not about what was shown in the video. Let me just remind you guys that this happened on an official visit here in America. Pumunta po sila dito sa USA and they went to San Francisco for APEC Summit, and that was around November of 2023. They were supposed to be doing an official visit and on an official business trip. But instead of doing official business trip, ibang trip ang ginawa nila. So that's what's really concerning to me. It's because of how, it's not actually how the Malacanang Palace is totally brushing this off. It's not about that. It's about how the people is receiving this information. That fact right there is really concerning to me. Kasi po, how are we able to tolerate this kind of act from the president himself? Grabe pong pinagagagawa niya. What else needs to be shown? Ano po ba ang kailangan pa nating makita para may gagawin po tayo na palisin na po yan? This is not inciting for sedition. What we can do is that we can file an effective impeachment case with all of these evidences that we have shown. As a matter of fact, ilang beses na po namin yan, kami po ni Maharlika, ibang beses na po namin yung inuudyo po na kasuhan na po kami. Pero up until now, hindi po kami makasuhan. You know why? Because it's the truth. What we want from the president is we want him to do a hair follicle test. And it's that simple. If you cannot even do that, at least file a case against us para malaman po namin lahat na ikaw po ay nasa matinong pag-iisip bilang isang presidente po ng isang bansa. You are taking care of more than 100 million people. Hindi po isang barangay lang. Ang niraran nyo, isa pong bansa, Mr. President. And their respond basically not saying about it means that they don't care about the public. What the public is talking about, this is a public concern. Pera po natin ito. They paid $40,000 po sa isang escort mail service. They paid more than 2 million pesos. We should be really concerned about that. That's public funds. That's misuse of public funds. That's our money. Pera po natin yan. At oras po natin yung ginamit nila na instead of pumunta po sila dito for a business trip, for an official business trip, on an official trip by the president. Pero iba pong ginawang trip nila. Them not responding to this is basically them telling us, fuck that scandal. Wala kaming pakialam dyan. They're trying to show that they're untouchable. Why are we tolerating this? Why is the public tolerating this information? This is not fake news. Ilang beses na namin yung pinagsasabi ni Maharlika na they need to file a case against us. They need to sue us. Because we need to find the truth. We need to know the truth. Up until now, ilang beses na, ilang araw na namin hinihintay na makasuhan kami pero wala pa rin. And that should tell you something. They're not untouchable. The system will not fix itself because the system is so corrupted. It is up to us. We are the system. We, the Filipino people, are a major part of the system. And we can do something about this. And again, this is Dean Chase saying, God bless the Philippines and God.
So yung mga ka-idol, talagang matindi itong mga revelasyon ni Dean Cheese, no? Tungkol dito kay Bongbong Marcos. Sinamon nga nila nga magpa-drug test pero ayaw, no? Nila ni Maharlika at kinakasuhan nga daw sila ng dyan sa Amerika. So yung mga ka-idols, hindi pa nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel, pakisubscribe. Rom Iboy. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay
Ano
tayong
sinasabi
lahat.
nitong hayop na to? Ano sinasabi?